Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Morant Urban Center in St. Thomas and we are giving you a tour of the new KFC that recently opened. Now this is the 45th KFC store to open in Jamaica and it's also the first KFC store to open in the parish of St. Thomas. Naturally, the demand is great. I mean, there are long lines, people love it because KFC is the number one fast food chain in Jamaica. Not sure why it took so long for them to reach St. Thomas, but there is actually one parish, Hanover. Hanover is the only parish in Jamaica now that does not have a KFC. So hopefully they will reach there soon. And this is the Mark Bay Urban Center, a game-changing facility in St. Thomas. It is built on the site of the old Goodyear factory. Modern infrastructure, game changer. KFC is actually the first store to open over here, but there are many others that are coming. Burger King, Juicy Patties, but of course, KFC will always have the largest crowds. Very nice facility. I was a bit surprised that it was so small. I thought they would have built a bigger store, being it's the only one in St. Thomas. But KFC knows what they're doing. They always put their stores in the best locations. They recently opened one in Black River. Not sure if it's still open because the hurricane passed through. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. And they have a store under construction in Runaway Bay. And just to give you some perspective, St. Anne has 5 KFC stores. St. Thomas just got their first one. But as we said, it's this facility, the Morant Bay Urban Center, that's changing the game for St. Thomas. A lot of companies that never had locations in St. Thomas are now opening over here. For example, Hilo Supermarket is out setting up their first supermarket in the parish of St. Thomas over here. And that building that we just looked at is actually the new courthouse for St. Thomas. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think of this new KFC and also the Morant Bay Urban Center. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.